Welcome friends, welcome back to my another Clean Planet Walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good, and you know I am Abdul Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Friday, 4 February 2022. Today is Friday, so happy Friday from Bangladesh. Now morning time. This Friday morning I visiting a tea garden in our area. You can see behind my back tea garden area. Friends, now I am stood in middle of this tea garden. Friends, this Friday morning I visiting this tea garden and I saw here some polluted garbage and plastic. So now I collected that garbage and plastic and that garbage threw in the dustbin. তো বন্ধুরা আজকে শুক্রবার সকালে আমি আমাদের অঞ্চলের একটি গাছ বাগানে প্রবেশ করেছি। দেখতে পাচ্ছেন গাছ বাগানের একটি অংশ। তো এখানে সকালে হাঁটার সময় আমি বেশ কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা দেখতে পেয়েছি। এগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ড, ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। Friends, this tea garden area, this Friday morning I visiting this tea garden and I saw here some polluted garbage and a bag in my hand. Now I collected this garbage from tea garden. Now I try to cleaning this tea garden area. I saw here one plastic. This plastic really very bad for our nature and natural place, our garden. So I collected this plastic. Another old plastic here, old and very dirty plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম। I saw another plastic here. Old plastic. This is a very bad old plastic. Another plastic here. Friends, I saw here many plastic. You know, I always try to save the natural place, garden area. So this Friday morning I try to clean a tea garden. Another plastic here. I saw many plastic this tea garden. Another plastic here, tea, group of tea, and here plastic. Old plastic. Another old plastic here, very old and dirty. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম। Dirty plastic, old plastic, old cloth, old cloth here. I saw another plastic here. Friends, this is a very old and polluted dirty plastic. This plastic really very bad for our nature natural place, our garden, our children, our peoples. I saw another plastic stuck in soils. That is that dirty and old plastic. What are we? Sanjay করলাম সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম another old plastic here. Plastic bottle here. Another plastic here. Dirty and old plastic. Also another plastic here. Stuck in soil. Very old and dirty plastic. I collected this polluted plastic. Another old cloth plastic here. Old cloth plastic. This unused product, cloth product, very dirty. Another plastic product here. Plastic product collected. This plastic product. Another dirty plastic. I saw another plastic stuck in soils. What is that? Very dirty plastic. Friends, very dirty. Friends, my cleaning mission finished. I collected many polluted plastic garbage from tea garden area. ফুল ইন ব্যাগটি প্রায় ভরে এসেছে। আমি অনেক প্লাস্টিক সংগ্রহ করেছি এখান থেকে এবং এগুলো friends now stop this bag. Friends, stop this bag. Now this garbage bag to in dustbin in our area. Let's go, friends. I collected that garbage from this tea garden area. Friends, this our area's dustbin. This garbage bag threw in this dustbin. Thank you so much, friends. This was my nature cleaning mission in Friday morning.